All right, so this is my 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger, two-door hardtop that I have for sale for $13,500. Just wanted to go over a couple of details on the car because I know it's hard to tell in photos. So paint's in decent shape. It does need a paint job. As you can see, there's some fading, some chips for sure. The car was at one point repainted at a Mako or something like that. Really kind of a crummy paint job. It used to have a vinyl top. You can see the line where the vinyl top used to be. Got maybe some Bondo there replacing the spot where that vinyl top was. Got a little dent in the bumper there. Again, some more little paint chips here and there. Like I said, it does need some body work, primarily paint. It's straight. You can see there's not any major dents or flaws in the sides. Here's the front of the car, the hood. I believe these hood scoops were added. They are not functional. And if we come under the hood here again, there's the codes. Sorry, that's upside down. There we go. Brand new battery. I've had it on a tender for a while. Leaks just a little bit. I've had it sitting here for over probably 8 or 9 months. Not really running it too much. Inside, interior's in pretty decent shape. Dash is solid, no cracks. So you can see, I did buy it with an aftermarket radio already in there, so I don't have the stock. The AC and heater was also taken out, but the vents are still there. You can see the seat's in really good shape. It does have some tears there. The springs will need to be replaced. It's got a couple of cracks in some of the harder pieces there, and then on the door, you can see the door is in pretty decent shape too. Door panels look good. That's the original color of the car. So that's the original paint. You can see there's a bit of a difference. You can see the two-tone. So whoever painted it, you can see that they painted it a darker blue. Rear seats are in great shape. Got a little bit of a tear there, but they're in really, really good shape. Again, the door panels, side panels all look good. Glass is all intact, everything works. The carpet probably needs to be replaced at some point, but it's in decent shape. I've always run these carpet mats to prevent it from wearing out anymore. The driver's side goes down to bare metal, which I'll show you. Walk around the car here. But it's actually good to see because you can see that there's no rust. So see, it's been worn down there, but there's no rust in the floorboards, which is really good. So car runs smooth, fires right up. I'll fire it up in a second so you can hear that. Here's underneath. You can see the new fuel tank and the strange rear diff. Tires are in perfect condition, hardly have any miles on them. Radiator probably needs to be replaced at some point, but it still works. The fan shroud is just kind of pieced together right there. It came off at the top. Long tube headers. Edelbrock 600 carburetor. Power steering, brand new from Borgeson. So there you have it. I'll fire it up here in a second so you can hear what it sounds like and see that it fires up. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna fire it up. Hear the fuel pump turn on. Fires right up. Haven't started it in probably 8 months.